What's up, guys? In today's video, I'll show you how to fix a Claude AI account that has been disabled or restricted and how you can submit an appeal. First, visit the official Claude Help Center or support page. Sign in with the same email address linked to your account. Then choose the option related to the account access or disabled accounts. Next, provide the required information. Include your account email and a screenshot of the error or restriction message if requested. Briefly explain that you believe your account was disabled by mistake and politely ask for a manual review. After submitting your appeal, wait for a response from the support team. Avoid creating multiple support tickets as this may slow down the review process. Be sure to check both your inbox and spam folders for updates. And that's it. Those are the steps to appeal a disabled or restricted Claude AI account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.